YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy, G, Kevin on this. Y'all know the rest. But, hey man, it's a good day, you know. I'm gonna go hang out with the boys. I just want to give y'all like a not even a quick little POV drive, for real. Just to like, cause I wouldn't say I haven't uploaded, because I've been uploading consistently. I really do hope y'all like that shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I want to keep the streak going. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, quick little POV drive, I guess. You know, just cause I ain't did this shit in a minute. I've been giving y'all like this content on content, you know, this quality content. So this a POV drive of just like calm it down, you know. So I won't run out of ideas, if that makes sense. And that nigga trying to move in the Tesla. It'll be a shame if I start pushing this bitch. But yeah, man, I hope y'all doing well, man. Like, I don't know. Lately this month it's been going crazy. The month just started. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's been crazy. I ain't gonna lie. So it's different. A lot of shit's changing. So I gotta like adapt to it, I guess. Nothing different with the YouTube, just different life-wise. So I'm just trying to make sure my priorities is straight. Change my life around, if that makes sense. For real. I hope y'all on the same shit, because it's gonna be a new year. I hope y'all like changing for the better, like, you know, getting shit together. For real. Like, I gotta take care of like family and shit like that. Like, I don't want this shit to be like a sentimental ass fucking what is it? Sentimental POV drive. I don't want that shit to be this, you know? So that's all I'm speaking on that. Like, this, I want y'all to make sure y'all getting y'all shit together. Even if y'all younger, you know, focus on school, get y'all shit together, graduate, make somebody proud, you know? But other than that, man, this car in front of me is moving slow as shit. So I'm gonna have to hit one of these, cause like, nigga, traffic is, nigga, they left your ass. I don't know what you doing, buddy. And no, I'm not cutting up today, bro. I'm telling y'all, I'm not cutting up. I'm trying not to cut up today. Damn, my lights is on the wrong setting. I don't know if y'all can see that shit. It's on the wrong setting. I don't like that one. It looks stupid. I'm not cutting up today. I just have it on my engine power. I didn't feel like looking at the speedometer. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, so. And that's a different ass gas station. That should look different as fuck. What the fuck? I ain't never seen it. Like, I seen a gas station like that, but I ain't never seen like the lights on top of that motherfucker. For real. But it looked different. It's like I'm going to the strip, but I'm not. And that's the awkward part about it, because I feel like I'm going to the strip. That's weird as fuck, bro. But man, the strip do look nice though. Like, I don't know. Let me know if y'all want me to give y'all like a POV drive on the strip, like at night. Like, I know I've done it during the daytime, but I don't know if y'all. I don't think I never did it during the nighttime. So that might be something I need to do. That'll be a lit ass video. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, because everybody's out. Like, everybody's out here. I swear to God, everybody's out here. Like, everybody's out here right now. So like, that'd be some lit content to do. Give y'all a little POV drive on the strip. Helmet cam, because right now I'm holding my phone in my hand. It don't feel weird, but like, I don't know, with the helmet cam you get everything, you know? Everything I look at, you getting it. I mean, but in my hand, I get to like show y'all actually what the fuck I'm really looking at. Like, I make sure y'all see that shit, you know? I don't know though. I will not be rolling my window down for this fucking hill. But I will be flooring that shit. I will not be rolling my window down. I just washed my car, man. I just washed my car. And that shit'll look ugly as shit. That shit will look retarded as hell. Y'all know, like, when you get those streak marks from rolling up and down your fucking window after you just fucking washed your car? I don't want those. I'm trying to make sure I don't get those. So, literally, that's my channel why I didn't roll my window down. Probably if I come back this way, I will definitely, for sure, roll my window down for y'all. This nigga's riding my ass, bro. That shit low-key irritated me. I don't know why it's irritating me, but it is. Like, because I know I was going at least 70, 75. It felt like I was going at least 70, 75. And, like, you riding my ass still. I don't like, bro, like, and then, like, nigga, like, pay attention, bro. Like, goddamn, how close you gotta be, my nigga? You irritating me. Fuck. I'm like, hop out on your stupid ass. Like, bro, you irritating the shit out of me. Like, nigga, you don't know, like, fuck. Anyways, get off this nigga, bruh. Hold on, let me change my lights before I forget. Let me change my lights real quick. I'll be back. I did change my lights. I changed them to, so usually, I don't know if y'all follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram right now. It's gonna be on the screen, and it's in the description. Usually I have my lights green and white, like this following each other. That's usually how I have it. With that one, it was like this green dots, and it looked like, that's one mode I don't like. There's like preset modes with this shit, and I don't like that one. I really want a ghost controller. I'm thinking about getting that, I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm trying to more so focus on performance, so I'm not doing no type of shit that involves me to do cosmetic. But I don't like that setting at all. I don't. Like, that's the worst one out of all of them. I don't like that setting. I feel like I should do a video on what I don't like about my car. That's what you don't hear people talking about, for real. What they don't like about the car, for real. It's not that many things that I don't like about my car. I ain't gonna lie. I really love my car. I really love my car. I can give you, like, I don't know, probably like 5 things for real. And it's probably all the shit that I've done. There's probably some shit I did and I don't like that y'all probably wouldn't notice unless you actually see my car in person. Yeah, it's a couple things that I don't like. I mean, it's small shit though. Like, it's small shit. Like, it's shit I can fix and, like, I can, like, make it look better. But, like, I just did it. I really didn't think about it. So, like, it happened. It is what it is. But I don't know what to say. It's a couple things. It's like 5 things max. Max 5 things for real. That I just don't like at all. It is what it is though. But yeah, I can make that into a video too. I might do that. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, you, this fire station. Why did I say that? I don't know. Like, I don't see fire stations all the time. Alright, YouTube, so this is a whole different day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm picking this up the next day. Niggas had so much fun last night. Yesterday night. So, yeah, niggas had a whole bunch of fun. I wasn't thinking about I forgot to fucking record. Fuck it. Right now we going to, we're going to this little pizza place. Get some pizza, and then fucking after eating, we finna go to meet. So y'all be able to see that. I know y'all ain't gonna be able to fucking see me, so I ain't gonna fucking try to make y'all even fucking see me in this dark ass car. Like, I tried it before, it didn't work. So I'm not even gonna try it. I'd rather just give y'all the POV drive on what I'm doing. So I'm gonna include a little POV drive in here. I mean, a little POV, I'm gonna include a little meat in here, because that's easier. It's not easier, but it's better than y'all just seeing a POV driving me talking nonsense the whole time. You know what I mean? So, yeah. But, man, I've been asleep all all day. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's not a good thing either, because why the fuck am I asleep the whole day? You know? I have no reason to be asleep the whole day. I woke up around like fucking 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. Woke up around like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. I did a little 2-mile run this morning. I did a 2-mile run this morning because I missed the gym yesterday. So I'm trying to like stay consistent, well, at least something. So I made up for it. It wasn't 2 miles, I'm lying, 3 miles. I did 3 miles. 3 miles this morning. And then once I got home, I sat down, fucking did some shit on my computer, did some business on the computer, and when I say business on the computer, that don't I know some of y'all niggas is little kids. So like y'all don't think I did some nut shit. If you know what I mean by nut shit, you know. But no. Did some business on the computer, edited, so I could upload some reels today. And then once I got done with that, I just played Apex. That new season is going crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That new season going crazy. It's different, but it's not a gaming channel, so I mean, but y'all gaming. If y'all fuck with Apex, y'all know like it's different this season. They're trying to stop the rats, shit like that. So something smooth. I fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't fuck with it. They got the crafter, the fucking R301 and the fucking bullet in the crafter, and that's my go-to guns for some fucking reason. My friends told me I should stop fucking using that shit, but I still do. It don't bother me at all. But yeah, man, we have this pizza place. That's a hard ass fucking car. I don't know where the fuck these niggas are. I'm gonna be so real with y'all. I don't know where the fuck they at. I was hoping I seen like cars and shit like that, because I gave them niggas like 10 extra minutes to get here, and I don't know where the fucking pizza place either. I don't. So I'm looking stupid right now because I don't know where the fuck I'm going. But I'm gonna figure it out. I am gonna figure it out because I don't know where the fuck I'm going.
What's good, bro?
Damn, bro, why you so real close? What you gotta say?
Oh, you never just come to come. You always gotta come and then some.
Alright, YouTube, we back. That meat was kind of dry as fuck. So, yeah, your boy is driving home now because it is nothing else for me to fucking do at this point. So, yeah, man, say, man. Damn. I hope I'm going the right way. Sometimes I really do hate taking detours through Vegas, bro. Like, that shit low-key irritating. Like, it's not bad, but like it is annoying. Cause with Vegas, bro, it's so much fucking traffic. Especially right now, since they building like this F1 shit. You don't want to get caught up. I don't like this road. I don't like this road. It sound weird. It sound weird. Like my fucking steering wheel is going fucking wild right now, bruh. I don't like this road. I don't want to be over here no more. But yeah, man, that meat it wasn't popping. It's probably because it was Sunday, for real. And it's late as fuck. Niggas got work tomorrow. And most likely them niggas they're not fucking with this shit. On a Sunday, at least. Sunday is basically like family day, for real, for real. Like, nobody does shit on a Sunday. But, yeah, man. I think it'd be better for me to just take the whole fucking street all the way home. But, yeah. This is going to be the end of this video. I'm going to end up catching y'all in the next one. Catch y'all in the next one. And I'm out. Peace.